Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 C300 4MATIC. This one is a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels we have 18-inch multi-spoke black wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black MBTEX interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats. Alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, you got a touchpad steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We've got paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, a 10.25 high resolution media display, rear view backup camera. Also we've got a nice black matte ash wood trim, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, a wireless charging station with USB ports, cup holders, our turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C300 has 6,362 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.